Hello everyone, welcome to AJ's Week in Web, the first edition. Every week I'll be releasing the hottest topics in the web today and kind of doing a brief overview so you can go out and learn for yourself. First up is Web.dev. It's a pretty neat tool that allows you to go out and use Lighthouse, and the great part is you don't need the Chrome dev browser. You can do this anywhere and run it against a site that you have live, which is pretty sweet, which will then give you a better historical view of how your site is doing from the time of starting Web.dev to the end of it. Next up is learnjavascript.online. This is a pretty sweet website that allows you to walk through the basics of JavaScript in kind of a flashcard format. You can run code against the previous flashcard directly in the browser. It'll give you a lot of feedback along with allowing you to pass or fail that card. For anyone just getting into JavaScript, this is a big deal. Next up is Lit Element coming out of the Polymer project. This will allow you to create web components quite easily, and because the custom element is now available in all the major browsers, this is huge because it will allow almost every framework to use Lit elements. And they've moved to 2.0 instead of 1.0, and they're moving off the main Polymer branch. Speaking of branches, GitHub got a huge update in that unlimited private repositories are now allowed for the free plan. You've probably heard me say in the past that Google Source repositories was probably the best option, but now with this, I have to move everything back and probably just do a linkage between the private repos and Google Source repos. If this is something you'd like to learn how to do, please reach out on Slack or on Twitter and I'll make a lesson specifically how to do this. Over on Flutter, they have released their roadmap for 2019. It's on their GitHub channel, so make sure you check that out. There's some pretty cool things that they're planning on doing in 2019. Last but not least, Slack updated their logo. It looks pretty sweet. They give a lengthy reason why, but just know that it's changed. If you'd like to see a topic covered for the week, just hit up #AJ Week in Web.